How do you know your friend?
Met each other a couple times.
Met each other? What's up, Saint-Quan? How you doing? You good? Why not? Why aren't you good? Because when you saw us, you looked like you saw a ghost.
I look like I saw a ghost.
Yes, you did. What about you, my man? You very, very excited, or are you under the influence of something?
No, not at all.
Can I get your Florida ID, please?
Unfortunately, sir, I lost my wallet and my ID was in there, but I do have a Florida driver's license. Not a problem.
Can I get that? Is this your car, sir?
Yes, sir.
It's registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Can I get the paper for that, please? Thank you. No weapons or anything like that in the car? The way that you're moving is making me very, very nervous. I'm just letting you know that. Like, you're kind of like all over the place. You all right? Do you need medical assistance or anything like that?
No, sir.
No weapons like that are in the car?
Hey, let me ask you a question. Did this car get towed in Miami?
852-683.
I guess it is bad. I think it was reported stolen, as a matter of fact.
It was reported stolen? It was reported stolen.
No, sir, it's a good idea. As a matter of fact, you just had that.
So if it's your vehicle, why are you saying you think it was reported stolen? What do you think? Like, was it reported stolen or was it not?
Stolen, sir.
Did you report it stolen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so where's the think come from? So you did report it stolen.
Because it's entered in as abandoned right now. That's
It's
why I'm
in
asking.
abandoned. That's what you think.
No, it's not what I think. It's what I know.
So that's very interesting.
Slow
That made me
down.
a little nervous, sir.
Huh?
It made me a little nervous.
Okay. Why did I make you nervous? Because I'm dashingly handsome?
Damn, man, you picked up on me, huh?
Yeah. How you been, Saint-Quan? Long time no see. You sure? How long you friends known each other for?
Week or two, something like that, sir.
Huh?
Week or two, sir.
A week or two. He's your friend and you only known him for a week? It's kind of weird.
Sir, it's a euphemism or something like that.
What's it's a euphemism?
Euphemism.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I should be sir. It doesn't.
Mr. Smith, I don't think you should be driving.
Why is that, sir?
160231.
Why is that, sir?
Because you look high as can be to me.
Sir, I'm tired.
That is not tired.
That's what we're doing? You're tired?
That's correct, sir.
Okay. So, although, aside from us being dashingly handsome and young looking, we've been doing this for a long time.
Yes, sir.
And we definitely know somebody who's under the influence of something.
Sir, I'm
So,
tired.
stop. Don't play dumb with me. Because now you're making me upset and you're insulting our intelligence. Don't do that.
But
You definitely took something. I know when somebody's tweaking when they took something, all right? We're not new. We're not new to this, all
Okay,
right?
sir. Very well.
So you clearly took something.
All right, sir.
What did you take?
So I've taken
Start
anything
coming
within the
for
last
the,
Not okay. What was the thing that you took in the last 9 hours?
like took some.
You know what you took, man. You know what you took. You're a grown man. You're double my age.
Yes, sir.
Charlie Papa
You're trying to
7013.
give me a field sobriety test or something, sir? I'm not leaving. There's no reason for you to speculate that,
You
sir.
parked the wrong way.
Yeah, you parked the wrong way onto
I'm
oncoming
blocking them
traffic.
off, sir. I apologize. I'm blocking
The
them off.
tag comes back reported just like how my partner said. You're tweaking out. I know he's known to sell drugs, and we've arrested him for drugs before. Like, bro, what?
I never sold.
All right, Saquon. All right.
I mean, in my life,
There you go. Come on, bro.
Sir, listen.
Like, dude,
I'm
like,
trying to get
we
home.
are not, listen, we are not stupid. We are not dumb, all right? Don't do that to us.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to get home, sir. That's what I'm trying to do, sir.
I respect that.
What do you smoke, Mr. Leroy? Flocka, Molly, crack? What is it? You smoke crack?
That's correct, sir.
Oh, okay.
You been up all night, Mr. Smith?
No, sir. I just actually woke up this morning. I had to pay a debt.
How long did you sleep?
I'm home from jail right about 11 o'clock. About 11 o'clock. Yes, sir.
So why are you tired if you slept all night?
Well, sir,
Go
first of all, sir, I've
563.
been up for a few days when I went to sleep. When I went to sleep.
Roll down the back windows, please.
Roll down, keep it, yo, bro. Chill out. Yo,
Sir.
you're making me really nervous right now. You need to chill out.
Wait, roll down the black window. I said, I don't know why, sir.
You can do that while facing forward. You don't have to look back and see what's back
He
there.
doesn't have permission to inspect my vehicle, sir.
We're not inspecting your DMV. We asked you to roll down the windows, which you did. Listen,
Yes, sir.
somebody's got to pick up the car.
Somebody's got to pick up my car.
You're not driving.
Sir, my wife's at my wife's
Listen
at
to
work.
me.
Mr. Smith,
Listen to
I'm
me.
gonna ask you a question.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you please step out of the vehicle with my partner there?
Sure, absolutely. Would you step away from my window, please? I like that.
No, you're going to leave him down. You're going to leave him down.
Very fine. Very sure.
Hey, stand right here.
Yes, sir, absolutely. Yes, sir.
No. Stand right here. Right here. Put your hands on your head.
Yes, sir.
Hang it down, all right?
Yes, sir, that's fine.
Nothing that's gonna poke me,
No,
stick
sir,
me, or anything like that?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Can I see what's in the hat?
Just grab it.
Okay, I'm just gonna pull you out, pat you down. Not searching you, okay?
That's that hurt.
Space away from me. Just wanna make sure any weapons or anything like that. Big ass crowbar right there. Are you good?
Alright, I'll turn it on legally.
You can leave if you want.
I'm staying with my dog.
Oh, you can stay with? Alright.
Yeah, I'm like, oh, I need my car. Excuse me, I don't want you to think I'm waiting to do it.
No, you good. I trust you. I do like the little crack rock that's smashed all over the floor here, though.
Please search my vehicle, sir.
I can see crack rock smashed all over the floor right here.
Right here.
I told him he can leave. He's good.
Oh, he can leave?
Yeah, he's
He's
good.
Who's leaving, sir? What did I leave? What did I do? What did I do, sir? I call my wife, man.
Hang on.
Call my wife, sir. What am I doing, man?
Stop.
What
Put
am
your
I
hands
doing,
behind your
man?
back. Stop.
Leave me alone, man.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, man,
Detain
why are you
Listen.
bothering me, sir? I have done nothing, sir. I've done nothing, man. Come on, man. Bro, look, I've done nothing.
No, stop.
Stop.
Stop? You gonna stop?
Yes, sir.
You gonna stop?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Roll over on your back.
We're gonna roll you over.
Okay, so okay.
Do not do anything stupid. You
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Relax. Relax.
Alright,
Yo,
I'm gonna roll you
over there. I don't want you walking in the car.
Damn, man.
Relax. Relax.
Wife, man.
Relax. Stop moving. Stop moving. Stop moving.
You're done.
Relax.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Stop moving.
All right, sir.
We're gonna wait till another unit gets here.
Yes, sir.
All right? And you're gonna be placed under arrest. All right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Relax.
No,
He can
hold on,
breathe.
I can't
He
breathe.
can
You
breathe.
You're talking.
He's talking. He can
man.
breathe. Relax.
My arm is choking me, man.
Okay.
My arm is choking me. My arm is choking
So
me.
if we roll you over,
I called the police. Come call my mother.
Relax.
Come call my wife.
Relax.
here's the deal. If we roll you over,
We're gonna roll you over.
That's fine.
You have to chill out.
I'm gonna
All right,
chill out,
let's
bro.
All right. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Hey, man.
There you
Call
go.
my wife,
Good.
man.
you did this.
You did this, bro.
Stay why, so I didn't do that. Goddamn little tight, bro.
You did this, bro.
Oh, you're fine. Crap. Come on, man. You not have permission to search my vehicle, man. I told you that,
Go on
man.
your side. Go on your side.
come on, man.
Go on your side.
Hey, look here, man. I
Stay
told
there.
you, man. Get out of my vehicle.
You did all of this. All this acting up for what?
This is what I'm trying to figure out. This is what I'm trying to figure out, right? For what? For what? Come on, now. Jesus, man.
You good, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. Pardon me? Yes, I would love some water. Thank you. No.
All of that for what? All of that for what? All of that for what? We gotta detain you. There you go.
There's little chunks of crack all over the floor here.
You said it before, and you're saying it again.
It doesn't matter. It's your car.
Vehicle, is it not?
We can search your vehicle now.
Deep breath. Sit down. Relax. All this moving back and forth ain't gonna do nothing, all right? Chill
Damn,
out.
man.
Early 197.
Relax.
And there's the crack in his visor.
What?
In his visor, he's got a bunch of crack.
Subject left tire before I arrive at Mark that.
I don't understand, man. I really don't, man. I've done nothing, bro.
Except for have a whole bunch of crack in your car. No, listen, you gotta stay on your side. You have to stay on your side.
Why? Nothing, bro.
Stop wiggling your feet. Calm down. Alright? Relax.
192.
Shit.
Unfortunately, holding a 3A unit was redirected from an A31, not 1012 problem.
Copy.
10-4 hours.
Bravo 9, I'm about to clear my 40. You can send me one of those.
You're getting a little froggy right now, alright? So that's why I have you propped up on your side.
Also,
Alright? Once again, sir, you keep moving around. That's why I have you on your side, alright? Chill out. Relax. I don't want you going
Thank you.
anywhere hurting him.
Can we put him in your car so he's upright? Would you mind? Till we get a unit. Yo. I can't tell if that's your money or his, so I gotta take it. How much is it? 30? Okay, I'll ask him.
Open your door.
There you go.
Whose car is it? It's not your car, it's his. I said him to open the door. Relax.
Yeah, I'm having, sir. Bro. No dope in my car, bro.
Got it.
Can I call my wife at the DA and have her pick up our car?
No, it's getting towed.
And then, let me ask you a question.
So, if you would have been a little bit easier about it, and you would have, when we asked you to sit down, you sit down. When you get out of the car, you get out of the car. Like the normal stuff that people go through. When we're having to bring you to the ground and I have to hold you down because you're going crazy,
Not pretty.
that's when, like, favors end. I'm not doing a favor for calling a tow truck for or calling your wife to get instead of towing it. So, that's it.
I'm a veteran, sir.
Hmm?
I'm a veteran, sir.
I understand that, but you're out here smoking crack, man.
Sir, I had been smoking crack in jail, sir. I had not smoking any crack, sir. He asked me to give him a ride, so I said, okay, I'll give you a ride home. But I'm going home.
Yeah. Yeah, I talked to him. He said it's all his money. Unless you want this bill that has some sort of drug all over it. Huh? I'm not going to decipher money.
I'm going to explain 7 bullet points, and I need to hear a verbal yes or no, okay? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. You understand?
Yes, sir.
You have the right to the presence of a lawyer of your choice before you make any statement and during questioning. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
If you cannot afford a lawyer, you are entitled to the presence of a court-appointed lawyer before you make any statement and during any questioning. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any statement can and may be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Any statement you make must be freely and voluntarily given. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any question, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I can make no threats or promises to induce you. I can make no threats or promises to induce you to make a statement. This must be of your own free will. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you understand your rights, all right?
Yes, sir.
So, you're the registered owner of that vehicle, correct? Okay. How is it that we were able to find several crack rocks and a crack pipe in there?
Sir, first of all, the crack rocks were found, sir, are not mine, sir. He found them on his side. He asked me to get a ride, sir.
Where'd you find them?
So I found him over there on 16th Douglas, sir. Not 16th Douglas,
Because of how you're looking right now and how you're acting, it's very, very consistent with somebody who uses drugs. Particularly what I think what that is, which I believe that's crack cocaine.
Okay, sir.
So, are you a user?
Yes, I am.
So you are a user.
Yes, I am.
How long have you been using? How long
Yes,
have you
sir.
been using for?
About 35 years, sir.
So you've been using for 35 years.
Yes, sir.
So you mean to tell me a user who uses crack cocaine for 35 years is going to have that much crack in their car, right? And not have any... What?
How much crack is it, sir?
It's a lot of rocks.
You said,
Where'd you find them?
him?
No, how did the rocks get into your car?
Is there some leniency in answering that question, sir?
What?
Is there some leniency in answering that question, sir?
I explained to you rights. You don't have to answer that question. I'm just asking, how is it that those rocks got into your car?
Sir, so listen, we found crack on that side, sir. I stepped outside and went into the store. He asked me to give him a ride. I said, yeah, let me get something in the store real quick. I came back in there, sir. You see no crack rocks on my side of anything, sir.
Okay, sir, there was crack rocks, suspected crack rocks found in your vehicle. I'm trying to figure out how is it that they got into your car. Did you have knowledge of it?
No, sir, no.
So you don't know how crack rocks just got into your car?
Sir, there's no crack. As far as I know, there's no crack on my side. There's no
Okay,
crack on my
once
side.
again, sir, once again,
Yes, sir.
suspected crack cocaine and a crack pipe was found in your vehicle. You just explained to me that you're the registered owner of that
That is
vehicle,
correct,
correct?
sir. That is
Who's the only person that drives that car?
Myself and Molly, sir.
So you and your wife.
That's correct, sir.
Does your wife use drugs?
No, sir, she does not. She's an RN at the VA, sir.
So she's an RN at the VA and she never uses drugs.
No, sir.
And you've been using crack cocaine for about 35
That's
years.
correct, sir.
Okay, so right there, that tells me, out of the two people that operate the vehicle, the only people that use crack cocaine is you.
That's correct.
Now, while you were operating the vehicle with an individual who is known to carry drugs in our department and been arrested for drugs in our department, I mean, just try to make this make sense. How is it that the crack rocks and the crack pipe got in there? So you have no knowledge of how those crack rocks got in there?
Sir, no.
I'm sorry?
Answer your question, sir.
What's up?
If I was to answer that question very specifically about where the crack rocks came from, it would be a possible way for me to not have a vehicle towed or some type of...
No, I cannot do that. That's one of the rights that I just told you about. I can't do that. So you're not willing to provide information as to how those crack rocks got into your car?
I purchased them to smoke, sir.
You purchased them to smoke?
Yes, sir.
How much did you purchase them to smoke for? Sorry?
Like $70, sir.
$70. So you purchased those crack rocks for $70
That's correct, sir.
from St. Juan? Or from somebody else?
Sir.
So you purchased those crack rocks for $70. What about the crack pipe? Was that yours?
I didn't know the crack pipes in there, sir.
Okay. You didn't know. So you just purchased those crack rocks for $70 from who?
$20 for my vehicle, sir.
Once again, who is it that you bought those crack rocks for $70 for? Huh?
I don't know the name, sir.
You don't want no names?
I don't know the name.
You don't know the names. It wasn't the individual that was in the front right passenger seat? Okay. Alright. Where did you get them? Did you get them at a store nearby?
I got them nearby, sir.
Nearby store, where at?
I got them nearby, sir.
Nearby store. You want to tell me where?
Sir, you asking me specific questions up there.
Alright. How long ago did you purchase the crack rocks for $70 for? What time today?
I'm not very sure.
Not very sure?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Alright. Is there anything else that you're willing to tell me, sir? I appreciate the honesty, but I'm just trying to figure it out. Do you need medical attention, sir? Do you need medical attention? Okay, I'm gonna take that as a no. Alright, we're bringing them in your car, Pete?
I do need
Alright.
I do need medical attention.
For what?
Sir.
Huh?
Sir, my chest, sir.
Chest is hurting?
You don't want my...
Gotcha. Yo, I'm gonna raise fire rescue to meet us over at HQ because he's complaining of chest pains. Or you just want to take him straight? Yeah. Alright.
Jesus.
Alright, we're just gonna take you to the hospital, alright? Just
Yeah, man.
bro, well, listen.
I'm sorry.
Put your slippers on, we're gonna switch cars, alright?